Folks, I am back and I will be announcing the winner of the zero point 0.1 ETH for following my instructions, which is basically liking, commenting, subscribing, sharing, and hit that bell button within the first 24 hours of when this video is released, or I should say the last video is released, and all the people that did that, they will be placed in the raffle. So these are the people that did that. Hardcore History, Jordan, Javier, Eugene, Nico, Gizord. People have the weirdest names. Error 404 and Modern Thor. So if you want to be placed in a raffle, then what you need to do is you need to do what I just said. Comment, like, subscribe, hit the bell, share when this video is released, and you have to do it within the first 24 hours. Now, there is a lucky winner, and that lucky winner is Hardcore History. So, Hardcore History, you have 24 hours to send me your wallet, and I will be transferring 0.1 ETH. 24 hours, I warn you, 24 hours. So in today's topic, I will be talking to you about one of the most important things, which is different ways to make money in NFTs. Now, I already created videos, my previous, and I have lots of videos on how to flip NFTs and how to make money in NFT with using the research method of free and paid tools. I have so many videos about that, but this is a different strategy. This strategy is one that not many people utilize, and this strategy is very important because you can make way more money if you execute. So that strategy is creating your own NFT. You probably heard of this NFT wolf game, and this NFT is different, unique, and they gamified this NFT, and it made, okay, I'm telling you, it made $68 million. Now that they have some capital and volume, they're actually going to add more things to the project, execute on the roadmap, and this is something that is going to be helpful for the community. Now you see all of these. There's Farmers World, Wolf Game, Art Blocks, Doodles, Parallel Alpha, Cool Cats, NBA Top Shot, Cryptos, Solana Monkey Business. Alright. For you to create your NFT, there's different ways to do it. You can go on Fiverr, don't tell anybody about that secret. You can go on Upwork, don't tell anybody about that secret. Or you can create your own. Now, if you have skills, you can definitely, and experience, you can definitely create your own. And there's many routes to take when creating your own NFT. You can do something like a themed one. You see where it's like Bored Ape Yacht Club, it's a monkey theme. You can do a bull theme, which is getting common now. You can do some sort of animal theme, a superhero theme. Or you can do art related. Now, when you are making an art related theme, right, you are basically putting your own portfolio like an artist. Like you are a Picasso, you have a following, people like your art. You have a, even when you're creating an art, there can also be a theme to that, whether it be a theme of nature photos, abstract photos, or photos or painting that is unique to you, right? So there's so many directions to take. But the reason why I say this is very, very amazing opportunity is because of every time someone buys and sells that NFT, you get a percentage. And this is how they're able to make $68 million. You can have a portion, you can have royalties. Essentially, it's like royalties. You can get a cut in terms of the transaction. If you put it on OpenSea, OpenSea is going to get a certain transaction fee, and you're also going to get a fee. So if you have the skills, the time, the effort to execute, this is going to be a huge, huge money opportunity. You see, as NFTs become more adopted to the masses, Disney's releasing their NFTs, athletes releasing their NFTs, sports team has their NFTs. So you can create your NFTs also, right? I can create another video giving you a tutorial on how to do that. But here's the downfall. When you've probably seen a lot of NFT projects out there, hundreds of NFT projects out there. But just because they create an NFT doesn't mean it's going to be successful. The most important thing that you're going to do is going to be the execution. So I'm going to give you a chart. I'm going to show you a chart. All right. So here it is. These have been the lowest performing or decline NFT projects right now. The reason being is because they're not executing in terms of the roadmap, and there's not a lot of hype. When it comes to NFTs, the first phase is there's going to be a lot of hype and then it dies down. If you want to make money flipping, get on that hype train. Flip on that hype train. I have videos on how to flip NFTs. Watch that. It's going to be helpful on how to find out when the hype train is and catch it before it leaves. So these type of projects right now, they're the ones that are not executing the project to the community. They're not adding much value. So it's very important for you to, if you create your own NFT project, you're going to deliver on your execution of the roadmap. Look out for the community. Constantly deliver value to the community. If you do not deliver value, people don't want to be a part of that community. So that's why these are declining. And if you continuously provide value, then this is what's going to happen. You're going to have projects that continuously to do well, that's going to add value. Neo Tokyo has a lot of experts, VCs, smart people into this particular NFT. Now, the benefit of holding Neo Tokyo is having connection and association with those people. So sometimes the benefit is access to the community. Even though some projects are not doing well, if you have access to certain people in a certain community, that gives you a big advantage. So when Bored Ape Yacht Club is on the rise, you see DJ Khaled just bought Bored Ape Yacht Club Future. So more and more people are getting in buying the Bored Ape Yacht Club, it's because of athletes, rappers, and all sorts of celebrities are getting the Bored Ape Yacht Club. Mutant Apes is associated with Bored Ape Yacht Club, Mechaverse, right? Cool Cats, you heard of these projects before. So that's my tip for the day. If you want to make money, not flipping the NFTs, but creating your own project, I give you the roadmap. I will give you the foundation, which is what separates these two. How do you get to be on the top or on the bottom, right? If you do not fulfill and add value, constant value to your community, then you will decline. Your project will decline. But if you continuously add value, right here, Wolf Game, $68 million. $68 million is what they made. Now they have capital now. They can continuously add value to the community and continuously develop the project and make it a better project and grow the project into something that people want to get involved in. So once you understand that, the next step is going to be executing, and that's pretty much it for my video. Now, stay tuned for my next video. Wolf Game made $68 million. It exploded. It boomed. In my next video, I'm going to be sharing with you a similar project that has the potential to boom like the Wolf Game. You see, when something is successful, a lot of people are going to copy it. But not everybody succeeds at copying it. You gotta have your unique selling proposition, you gotta have a good team that can execute. And I found a good project that is similar to Wolf Game, and that will be able to perform like this. So stay tuned for my next one. It's going to be helpful. You're going to enjoy it, and I'm going to be sharing with you the top secret information in terms of what project to get into that is like the Wolf Game. That's it for me. Remember, you want to win some free ETH? Comment, like, subscribe, hit the bell, share within the first 24 hours, and comment, and you will be placed in the raffle. And the raffle will be drawn in the next video. You have been notified. Peace.